Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Coming at you with a natural look. I'm gonna tell you guys right now, I am dealing with a new camera, and so I'm gonna be in and out of focus parts in the video, so bear with me guys. And I'm still learning, but the quality is popping. Right now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm using some new products, Artistry Studio, very natural look, not very dramatic or anything. I do love their products, great on the skin, no irritation or anything like that. I will list everything below for you guys, and I'm just happy to be back on YouTube. It's definitely been a while, and I'm just looking forward to give you guys some new footage, as you guys can see. And look at me being goofy. So right now I am using the foundation also by Artistry. I'm not sure what it's called. I think I'm using cappuccino, or I might be using caramel. I think cappuccino though, which I love. Definitely great product. It's like skin. Now I'm going in with highlight. I have to stick with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm using medium beige. I'm just gonna highlight all the highlighted points: my forehead, under my eyes, my chin, my nose, all of that goodness. So now I'm gonna go ahead and set the concealer. I'm using Artistry Studio setting powder. The setting powder is very loose, but it is good setting powder. And yeah, so now I'm going in contouring. I'm still using drugstore products for this. Artistry Studio is high end, but for drugstore I am using the Fit Me in the deepest color. I want to say it's 360. Like I said, I'll link everything below. I'm just gonna contour my cheeks, my forehead, my chin, all of that goodness. You guys know how I'm rocking. Come on. And for all my new subscribers, make sure you like and subscribe this video, and subscribe to my channel, and catch up with the gang say. But yeah guys, let me know how you guys are feeling, what kind of videos you guys want me to start putting out, or any new makeup looks you guys are looking to see, or how I do my eyebrows. My eyebrows didn't really come out how I wanted to, because I haven't got my eyebrows done in like forever, since it's been Corona. I just been using makeup. So I'm saving those $8, $10. Some places charge 10. I'm too funny. But this right here, this is my favorite stuff. This is by Artistry as well. This is from this new Zen and Energy collection. Okay guys, just had to have a little fun right there. But like I said, I'm using the Pampered pouch for your mouth, for your lips. And when I tell you, if your lips are crusty, it's cold, or anything like that, it's always moisturizing. Like, my lips are rejuvenated, literally. It's a mask for your lips. Come on now. Now I'm going in with the same Fit Me, and I'm gonna go ahead and put that into my eyelids for the base color and everything. And I gotta rock with the chocolate bar palette. I'm just gonna go ahead and I will put it in no order what colors I'm using as well. You guys know that I always gotta have some fun with that, because it's just me. I definitely be jamming in the background. I really wish I had the music and the sound going on, but I had to record this, I had to do a voiceover because the camera just kept going in and out of focus. I mean, right now it's steady, but you can hear the camera moving. So, you know, trial and error comes with just working new technology, which is great. And so I'm still doing my eyes right here. Still using the chocolate bar palette. This palette, literally, just in general, and for all my melanin people, you should have this palette. This palette goes with literally any skin tone. Literally. I love this palette, and it smells so, so sweet. So I'm gonna just go ahead and blend everything out. Blend everything out. You know what's the funny part? This was supposed to be a get ready with me video. Now I'm going in with the NYX eyeliner. I forgot which one. I'll name that as well. But yeah, guys, this was supposed to be a get ready with me video, and why the second part didn't record. So you know me, I went out after, and the outfit was messed up. So I was just like, okay. Now I'm going in with Artistry Studio mascara, the 3-in-1. This mascara is literally popping because you can twist it and it gets big, and then you twist it small, and then just get that definition of everything. I really love this mascara, so this is definitely a great product. And so I'm just gonna go ahead and go put like 2 layers. Now look at those eyes, baby. Now I'm gonna go ahead with Artistry Studio as well. I'm using blush. I'm not showing the color, guys. Don't kill me. Come on. I gotta get back on it, you know. I'm going in my favorite highlighting powder. And you know, I just love highlighting. Highlighting is literally, to me, it just makes the whole makeup look. I love highlighting my face. I just love looking glowy. I love looking bright. I love looking like a superstar, you know, and that's what I feel like the highlighting does. So I'm just gonna highlight under my brow bones, my nose, my high bone cheeks, my cupid's bow, my inner eye, all of that. Give me all of that. So now this is one of my favorites, the Artistry Studio lipstick, light up lipstick. So look at this. Oh my goodness, girl. When you're out, you know you need a light, and you know you need a mirror. That is the best part about this, right? And it's definitely dry on. It's not you know, very drying or anything like that. I love it. It has the light up and the mirror. So this is the look that I have for you guys today, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye.